The Starlit Dream of Tom. Hi everyone, I hope you are all fine. Today we talk about the story of the Starlit Dream of Tom. In a small town nestled between rolling hills and dense forests lived a boy named Tom. Tom's home was a tiny hut on the outskirts of the village, and his days were filled with simple joys, playing by the stream, chasing butterflies, and dreaming under the starlit sky. Tom's family was poor, surviving on the meager earnings from his father's carpentry work and his mother's handmade crafts. Despite their hardships, Tom's parents showered him with love and taught him the value of kindness, resilience, and hope. One evening, while wandering through the woods, Tom stumbled upon an old, abandoned telescope. With wide-eyed wonder, he peered toward it, discovering the enchanting beauty of cosmos, the twinkling stars, distant galaxies, and the shimmering moon. From that moment, Tom's life transformed. Every night he would gaze at the stars, dreaming of distant worlds and galaxies far beyond his imagination. With each passing day, his passion for astronomy grew, fueled insatiable curiosity and a desire to understand mysteries of the universe. Determined to pursue his newfound passion, Tom began attending the village school, where he impressed with books about astronomy and science. His teachers, recognizing his talent and dedication, encouraged him to pursue his dreams. Years later, with a heart full of hope and a mind filled with knowledge, Tom received a scholarship to study astronomy at the renowned university. His journey from a humble village to the hallowed halls of academia inspired many, proving that with perseverance, passion, and a sprinkle of stardust, even the poorest of boys can reach for the stars. Tom's story became a beacon of hope in his village, reminding everyone that no dream is too big and no obstacle too great when fueled by determination, belief, and the boundless wonders of the universe. Thank you.